Hello, my name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and hopefully I'm going to answer everyone's question. What are these little things hanging off the side of my camera? They are called adaptants. Here's one here. They come 4 in a pack, and they're only like $3. Love these things. Been using these since 2005. They're very durable. Never had any issues with it. If I want to connect to my camera, I can lock into it because the lugs on the camera are too short for anything like this or most connections. So if I want to tether it to my belt or anything, bam, done. Tether it to my wrist, done. Put a camera strap on, done. Simple and easy. When I'm shooting in studio, like this one here is this here is a Canon 5D Mark III. I just run the cable up through here, lock it in, and then lock it into my USB, and I never have to worry about it getting jerked out. Let's go to the oddball camera. Again, this is a Canon EOS R. I have an adaptant on this side, but I couldn't put one on this side. The reason why is because if I have it facing up, it blocks all these buttons, all these control buttons. And if I had it facing down, this little bump right here on this piece here actually blocked me from hitting this lock button. So went straight to Optek's website, got me a nylon version, so now I have a nylon version. Any way I can lock into this strap, that's all it counts. So I can tether to it either by cable or whatever. I have an option to be able to tether to it, wear neck strap, and have all those options from the camera, even though I'm using the spider holster. Again, this is the Adaptant by Optek. My name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.